Over the past few decades, humanity has created technologies we once thought existed only in sci-fi movies. Drones that battle skyscraper fires, printers that build homes in hours, and even motorcycles that fly above city streets. But what makes these technologies so extraordinary? Why are they transforming entire industries right before our eyes? In this video, we'll explore 8 groundbreaking inventions that are redefining what's possible. Technologies so advanced, they feel like they're from the future. But they're already here, changing our world today. Number 8. The EHang firefighting multicopter. Imagine a fire raging on the 50th floor of a skyscraper, unreachable, time running out, people trapped. Now, a massive drone rises through the smoke, carrying 150 kilos of firefighting gear. This isn't fantasy, it's the EHang firefighting multicopter, a Chinese invention built to fight fires where humans can't reach. It sprays pressurized water while hovering mid-air, and its autonomous navigation system allows it to operate even when visibility drops to 0. Deployed in under 3 minutes, it's already saving lives in real emergencies. We're not asking if it will change rescue operations. We're wondering how soon we'll see one flying over our cities. Number 7. The Icon Vulcan 2, the printer that builds houses. What if a house could be printed, yes, printed, in less than 24 hours? The Icon Vulcan 2 is a colossal 3D printer capable of building real, concrete homes layer by layer with flawless precision. It's already constructing entire neighborhoods in Texas, reducing construction waste by 95%, cutting costs dramatically and giving hope for affordable housing worldwide. And NASA, they're eyeing it for building shelters on the moon. We're entering an era where homes don't just get built, they grow organically like something straight out of science fiction. Number 6. Guardian XO, the superhuman exosuit. Ever dreamed of having super strength? The Guardian XO from Sarcos Robotics turns that dream into reality. This battery-powered exoskeleton lets users lift 100 kilos like it's nothing, all while staying agile and injury-free. Sensors read your every move in real time, syncing man and machine into one. From factories to construction sites, it's transforming how humans work. The line between human and robot is blurring, and physical weakness might soon be optional. Number 5. Hoversurf S. 3. Scorpion, the flying motorcycle. Flying bikes are no longer sci-fi. The Hoversurf S3 Scorpion, born in Russia and tested by Dubai police, can lift a pilot 10 meters off the ground and zoom at nearly 100 kilometers per hour. 4 intelligent rotors, controlled by AI, keep it balanced even in rough weather. And the best part? You don't need a pilot license to fly it. Soon, emergency responders and police might bypass traffic completely, taking to the skies while city streets stay congested below. The sky is about to become the new highway. Number 4. The Ocean Cleanup Interceptor 006. Every year, 11 million tons of plastic pour into our oceans. But one young inventor, Boyan Slat, refused to accept it. His creation, the Interceptor 006, is a solar-powered, AI-guided vessel that collects up to 100 tons of trash per day before it even reaches the ocean. Operating 24/7 without human crews, these floating machines already work in Indonesia, Jamaica, and the Dominican Republic. If 100 of them were deployed, they could stop 80% of river plastic pollution. It's proof that innovation can heal the planet, not just harm it. Number 3. Zipline P2, the drone that delivers without landing. This one sounds impossible. A drone that delivers without ever touching the ground. Meet the Zipline P2, a precision drone that hovers in place, lowering your package by cable to your balcony, garden, or rooftop. With a 20-kilometer range and 3-kilogram capacity, it's already transforming medical and food deliveries, from sending blood to remote hospitals in Africa to delivering hot meals in minutes, all with near-zero emissions. Cities in the US are already considering replacing delivery bikes with these silent flyers. The sky may soon be buzzing with the sound of instant delivery. Number 2. Boston Dynamics Spot, the robotic worker. Dog Spot, the world-famous robot dog, just evolved. Now equipped with a robotic arm, it can open doors, press buttons, carry tools, and inspect dangerous environments, all on its own: nuclear plants, oil rigs, subway tunnels. It walks where no human should. Each mission makes its AI smarter, more efficient, and more capable. Spot doesn't replace humans. It protects them. But it also forces us to ask, if a robot can move like an animal and think like an engineer, how far are we from sharing our world with them? Number 1. Honda Uni 1, redefining personal mobility. The Honda Uni 1 is neither a car nor a scooter. It's something entirely new. A hands-free, self-balancing mobility device controlled only by body movement. Weighing just 70 kilos, it carries up to 110 kilos and moves in all directions using intuitive balance control. Its seat can rise to eye level for conversations or lower for comfort, making it perfect for malls, parks, or anyone with limited mobility. It's not just a vehicle, it's a glimpse of what future mobility looks like: effortless, inclusive, and human-centered. From drones fighting fires to exosuits granting super strength. From robots saving oceans to flying bikes redefining travel, we're living in the most exciting era of human innovation. These 8 inventions aren't coming someday. They're already here, transforming the world we live in. So tell me, which of these technologies amazed you the most, and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the innovations shaping our future. Because the future isn't waiting, it's already begun.